5 Best Power Banks for 2024. Portable chargers are a clever invention, providing a reliable backup for long road trips or anytime you're out and about. They're easy to carry and don't take up much space. The right size can fit in a tight backpack compartment or even in the back pocket of a pair of jeans. Whether it's a laptop for work, a smartphone for social media, or a pair of headphones for that nightly music jam, these portable chargers have you covered. With that in mind, here's a rundown of the best all-round portable buddies available. Anker Prime 20,000 mAh. Anker's entry into this lineup is no surprise given their solid track record with portable chargers, and they haven't missed the mark here either. The Anker Prime 20,000 mAh is a powerhouse, easily charging smaller devices like smartphones and wearables, and it doesn't shy away from charging laptops either. It supports incredibly fast charging speeds of 200 watts that can charge smartphones in about 30 minutes. It also supports 100-watt fast charging on its own and includes a small display that shows its battery capacity. INIU 10,000 mAh portable charger. INIU might not be the most familiar name on the street, but the 10,000 mAh variant covered here is a fantastic buy, especially considering its affordability. This portable charger often goes on sale, with prices dropping to $20 on some occasions. It's on the more affordable side of this list, yet it's highly efficient. INIU's 3-year limited warranty is also a perk. Mophie Snap Plus Juice Pack Mini. Mophie Snap Plus Juice Pack Mini is as fun as it sounds. It supports MagSafe, making it a reliable companion for the iPhone when out and about, especially since it's easy to attach to the back of the phone when a top-up is needed. The 5,000 mAh battery is sufficient to fully charge just about any iPhone, and it also supports a USB-C port to charge other phones. Scotch PowerUp 600. On the regular front, the Scotch PowerUp 600 doesn't leave much room for complaint. The 5,400 mAh battery quickly charges any smartphone or small device, making it a dependable companion on a trip. Where the PowerUp truly shines is in its quirkiness. Besides the regular charging, this power bank can jumpstart a car, making it an invaluable companion in emergencies. Satechi Quattro Wireless Power Bank. Satechi's Quattro Wireless Power Bank excels at what it does best. Its substantial 10,000 mAh battery can revive any lifeless smartphone or device. In addition to regular charging, Satechi features an Apple Watch charger on the Quattro, eliminating the need to pack an extra cable and saving both space and time.